Thanks for clicking on the link. This is a quick review on how to leave an iTunes rating, review, and subscribe on iOS. So once you've gotten the text from a friend, you click on the link. That's going to automatically open up in iTunes. Trust the page open in podcasts if it says that. Once in iTunes, you'll notice there's a subscribe button in the upper right. Go ahead and push subscribe. It might take a second depending on what phone you have. Once you're subscribed, you can then hit the center button for review. Writing a review is easy. It'll open up the window. It may ask you to sign in. Once you've signed in, you can leave a review quickly, easily, and push send.